Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About this one, we can put into x to the power of 2 sin x and x to the power of negative number 1. So this one I will change into 1 over x. Next, 1 over x multiplied by sin x and x cosine x ln x. X divided by x, we have number 1. Now, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Now I will show you the technique how to do first derivative of this one. So we put about ln for the both side. Next, we have the formula in here. ln a to the power of b equals to b ln a. So we apply the formula in here and we have 2 sin x ln x. Next, we need to do first derivative for the both side. First derivative of ln u. So we have first derivative of u over u. Now we do first derivative of sin x multiplied by ln x. Later that we do first derivative of ln x multiplied by sin x. This one that is about the product rule of derivative. So this one we have cosine x. This one we have 1 over x. So about u, we put on the right. And we know that u that is about this one. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have like this. Next, we have number 2 and number 2. We can do about factorization. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. So the integration of this one, we need to change into the u over u, or the u over 2. The integration of the u, we have u. About u, that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.